If your Ford shows the adaptive cruise control not available warning, it means the system cannot operate properly. Adaptive cruise control relies on a front radar sensor and windshield camera to monitor traffic ahead and automatically adjust your speed. When these sensors are blocked or the system detects a fault, the feature temporarily disables itself to prevent incorrect operation. Try these. 1. Clean the radar sensor and camera. Check the radar sensor behind the front grille or bumper and the camera near the rearview mirror. Remove dirt, snow, or ice with a soft cloth. 2. Restart the vehicle. Turn off the engine, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then start the vehicle again to reset temporary system errors. 3. Check the windshield area. Make sure there are no stickers, tint film, condensation, or cracks blocking the camera's view. 4. Inspect the battery and electrical system. Low battery voltage or loose connections can cause adaptive cruise warnings. 5. Drive to allow recalibration. Drive above 20 to 30 miles per hour for several minutes so the sensors can recalibrate.